Ninja.
Look at the size of the strawberry compared to the size of the spider. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god, they all came out! Look at them! Oh, I'm gonna throw up, I'm gonna throw up, I'm gonna throw up.
Wow, look at them all. They're all coming out. He's like shrunk a little.
Arachnophobia doesn't even cut it.
Oh my god.
That is cool, man. Look at all those babies he had on, or she had on him. Her. Wow, look at those. Man, that's amazing that all those spiders would be that thing, like, in 6 months, you know? Isn't that kind of crazy?
Yeah, it's disgusting.